Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Modern shoe rack design ideas have transformed the way we organize and showcase our footwear, embracing innovation and contemporary aesthetics. These shoe racks offer both functionality and style. Wall-mounted shoe racks with sleek lines and geometric shapes, creating an eye-catching and space-saving solution, turning shoes into a decorative display for those who limited space. Vertical shoe racks with multiple tires or rotating carousels maximize storage while minimizing floor space. Open shoe racks with minimalistic frames and wooden shelves lend a touch of modern elegance to any shape, providing easy access to shoes without compromising on design. Modular shoe cabinets with sliding doors offer a clean and seamless look, hiding shoes from view and keeping the area clutter-free. Smart shoe storage solutions such as pull-out drawers or hidden compartments within furniture pieces offer a minimalist and discreet approach to shoe organization. Designed for shoe racks made from sustainable materials showcase the harmonious blend of practicality and environmental consciousness. These modern shoe rack design ideas redefine shoe storage, providing that organization can be stylish, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing, making a statement in every contemporary home. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.